What's up guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you a website that's going to pay you to do simple tasks. Yeah, the website is going to pay you to do simple tasks like watching a YouTube video, performing some surveys, but the main thing you're going to do in the website is watching YouTube videos and performing some tasks. And you might ask, oh, is this another scam website? Is it legit? Yes, it is 100% legit, and I'm going to prove it to you. How do they pay you? They pay you with PayPal, gift and gift card like Netflix, Roblox, and whatsoever gift card you're willing to withdraw in, they pay with such. Now, before I reveal the website to you, if you're new to this channel, welcome to WebHustleTv. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button below and turn on post notifications so you can get a notification anytime I drop a new video on making money online, or if you're someone that's trying to make money online, just make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. With that said, let's head right into the video. Now, the name of the website actually, and let me emphasize, when I show you the website, don't head over and click off the video, because if when you go and get things done by yourself, you're gonna fail. Yeah, you're gonna fail. You're gonna have to watch the video to the very end so you can know how to make the most money. Now, the website right here is this one known as Casio. Yeah, Casio. Now, the link to the website will be in the description below, so you can go check it out. And make sure you use the link in the description below so you can earn more. Now, as you can see right here, it's a premium reward for you. With Casio, you can earn gift cards or game currencies in just a few minutes. You can, once you've performed some tasks, you earn points, then you can convert them to cash. As you can see right here, sign up today. Join millions of people earning rewards for completing tasks as simple as watching videos. Like I told you in the beginning of this video, the main task you're going to be doing is watching videos. Earn points by watching videos, completing paid surveys and downloads app to exchange into currencies. Redeem your points for gift cards at your favorite retailers like Amazon and Discord, or get cash instantly to PayPal. It's as simple as that. Yeah. And make sure you use the link in the description below so you can earn more. And I'm going to walk through step by step on how to earn with this platform. First of all, let us sign up. I'm going to sign up for a new account right here, right now. Now it says right here, successfully created your account, redirecting. Now it says start earning. Select the tax. Future offers are recommended and can earn you high amount of points quickly. You click on done right here, and boom, it says right here you are 1090 points away from earning PayPal $5 instant transfer. Now, how do you earn? First of all, you can invite a friend to earn. As you can see right here, it says for every friend you invite, you earn 5% of all their earnings for life. Like I said, make sure you use the link in the description below so you can earn more points than you just go to the website and register on your own. As you can see right here, it says select one of these reward and share the individual link to get a free 50-point bonus. Once the referred user sign up, completes 3 offers and earns at least 75 points. It's as simple as that. Just share to your friends, share to people that are trying to make money online. Then boom, you can earn money by doing challenges. As you can see right here, you challenge yourself to invite some friends. You're going to complete offers. Now, let's head over to the endpoint dashboard, and boom, you can see right here there are surveys, there are freebies, social media. Follow us to stay updated. When you follow them on social media, you're going to get paid. When you follow them on Facebook, when you follow them on social media, you're going to get paid. Now, you can read how it works right here. As you can see right here, you can read it so you can know more about the platform. Now, let's head over to view rewards. You know, this is a new account. They actually new rewards right here. So now, say watch video, complete survey, or play game to earn cash instantly. Now let us click on this one right here, AdGate Media. This is one of the trusted partner. Now, as you can see right here, this one is a survey. Once you perform the survey, you get 55 cash. Once you perform or do this survey, you're gonna get 55 cash. But the main way you're gonna earn more points is by referring others. Yeah, once you refer others, you're gonna earn more points. Or if you know you can do the survey, you can do the survey. If you want to withdraw, you head over to view rewards right here, and you're gonna click on PayPal. You can even pay through Bitcoin if you have any cryptocurrency. But I prefer PayPal. PayPal is faster. Then you select your region, international region. You select the amount. Maybe you've earned $5. You're gonna click on $5, and you're gonna click on purchase right here. Now I don't have any coin on this account, but once you've earned coins, you're gonna be able to withdraw your money, easy as that. Now if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be very quick to answer you. And let me quickly show you proof. Let me quickly prove to you guys that this website is real. Now if I head over to Google and search for, okay, let's ask me, is Casio legit? As you can see right here, see, it's a very good website. The rewards are real and the admins are very friendly. You can open some pages right here and you will see that it's legit. I can't come over to my YouTube channel right here and start showing you guys sites that aren't legit and waste you guys time. So with that said, don't forget to give this video a like and drop a comment in the comment section below. And if you like this video, you're gonna like the 2 videos showing right up on the screen right now. And with that said, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, if you have any question, drop it in the comments. I will see you in my next video. Let's go. Peace.